Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Sanrio furniture in Heartopia. Go to the collaboration page and go to Sanrio Characters Rainbow Cottage. It says each support guarantees one of the following items. Thank you cards can be used in the exchange store. So basically, you'll need these furniture fairboat tickets, and each ticket costs like 20 heart diamonds. So when you draw them, you're able to get thank you cards in which you're able to exchange the thank you cards to the furnitures. We have Cinnamoroll, Kuromi, My Melody, and you can also purchase thank you cards using wishing stars. I think the limit for the thank you cards you get is 50, which isn't a lot. You can only purchase like the items that are like obviously under 50 thank you cards. But if you again want more thank you cards, I really want this Kuromi gaming chair. I'll see later once I finish the Call of Whales festival. I will get some hard diamonds out of it, so hopefully I get some furniture out of this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!